Now let's go to manage data, and in manage data we will search for our object called uniform, and this is the one which we have created. So right now it does not have any entry, so let's see whether we can see this object cust underscore uniform. So you can see this is the external code which is like a user. So I can say, for example, Anya. So it will show me Anya Singh. You can give the effective start date. Do you need a uniform or size? You can enter the size. You can select the color blue, gray and white. So likewise this is created. Now we will create the UI for this particular object. So to create a UI, I will go to manage, configuration, UI. In manage configuration UI, I will say create new. I will say uniform 1. I will select the object as cust underscore uniform 1. And these are the all fields which are available. So I want to keep it like this only. I don't want to do any additional work here. So I want to keep it simple. So I will just save it, this one. However, you can add a field here. You can add a link, add group, add references. We will come to that little later. But I will just save this, and I will just copy this ID uniform 1 and go to configure object definition, and in the default screen I will define this ID, and I will save this object. So once this is saved, you need to go to configure people profile. So I will go to configure people profile. So this is the place where you actually enter the all the information. So this is a basically the skeleton from where it is coming from. So you know that personal information, ID information, biographical, contact, you enter all these information. So under in the me section only, under near to addresses, I will define this uniform, and I will go to available blocks. I will say live, I will say MDF, live MDF. So this is the live profile MDF information. I will drag it and drop it here. So live profile MDF information, and I will select the MDF screen UI here. So let us select the uniform 1 is our UI. I have selected this, I have saved this, and I will now change it to address and uniform in the section so that it's clear that we are saving it. So here in the address and uniform, and I will save this. So now it is saved. Now we will go to anybody's profile. So let's look at our favorite Adam Jacek Novak. So I am in Adam's profile. I am in me section. I will go to addresses and uniform here. So this is wow, it is appearing cust underscore uniform 1. And if I go open it, I can save this data here. Yes, size as medium, color as say gray. I will save this. Now I want to change this particular thing. This is coming as cust underscore uniform 1, which is not looking good. So I will just go and in the configure object definition, So I will go to cust underscore uniform 1, take action, make correction. If you see, the label is showing as this, so I will just make it uniform best run. Same, I will just see the translatable field also. Will maintain the same here, and I will save this record. I will go again, I will refresh Adam's profile, and now you can see that the uniform best run is coming, as well as the data which I have created for this particular employee is being created here, and the history is also created here with the date, effective date. So I will just close this.